Hey there, welcome to this week's grammar video for Unit 1, Blue Reading and Listening. In this lesson, we'll talk about possessive and descriptive adjectives. Let's get started. To understand this lesson, you'll need to understand what an adjective is. You need to know the difference between count and non-count nouns, as well as what is a singular count noun and what are plural count nouns. You'll also need to understand what the word possession means. If you don't know these things, that's okay. Take a minute to look them up and then come back. So in this lesson, again, we'll talk about descriptive adjectives. We'll talk about the articles a, and, and the with adjectives and nouns. We'll also talk about possessive adjectives. Descriptive adjectives in English simply describe nouns. Here you have a list of sentences where we have the noun in red and the descriptive adjective in purple. Take a minute to pause the video, have a look at the sentences, and try writing some of your own using descriptive adjectives. We use descriptive adjectives to talk about nouns. For example, in this photo, we have a man in a parking lot. These are nouns. So a man is in a parking lot. Now we can use a descriptive adjective to describe something in greater detail and give more information. In this picture, we have a man in a parking lot. Basically the same thing, right? Well, no, if we look at the sentences, we can use descriptive adjectives to make things more clear. In both pictures, we have a man in a parking lot. However, when I add descriptive adjectives, the difference between the pictures becomes more clear. For example, we have a happy man is in a small parking lot. Whereas in our second photo, we have a nervous man is lost in a huge parking lot. As you can see, these descriptive adjectives help us to understand more information about the nouns from each photo. Descriptive adjectives come after the be verb in sentences or before a noun. Here you have some examples. The first one, we have the be verb, so Muhammad is tall, the adjective being tall, after the be verb. We can start a sentence with subject, which includes an adjective before the noun. For example, good teachers give cookies. We can also use the adjective noun as the object of a sentence, like, I like hot coffee. Again, take a moment, pause the video, practice writing some sentences of your own. Now, count nouns are things that we can count. For example, 5 apples, 2 chairs, 6 students, or 3 cats. Plural count nouns are groups of things or more than one. So we have usually an S on the noun. However, with singular count nouns or one count noun, we can use the articles a or an before the singular count noun. You'll have to remember that a comes before nouns that start with a consonant sound, and an comes before nouns that start with a vowel sound. Here are some examples. An apple. Again, we have the vowel sound with a, so we need an. A chair. Singular count noun, chair, with a consonant sound, so we need the article a student, and a cat. Singular count nouns with consonant sounds. So when an adjective is used to describe a noun, it goes before the singular count noun. We also need to put the article before the adjective. So you'll have to remember the formula, article, adjective, noun. Again, here we have some examples. A red apple. Again, we have the article, the adjective, red, and the noun, apple. An uncomfortable chair. Article, adjective, noun. A smart student. Article, adjective, noun. A cute cat. Article, adjective, noun. Now you have to remember, we don't use a or an when your sentence follows singular noun plus be verb plus adjective. If we use this structure, don't use an article. Here we have some examples. The apple is red. The chair is uncomfortable. The student is smart. The cat is cute. In English, we have possessive adjectives, and we use them to show possession or belonging. They're written before nouns, both count and non-count nouns. And we know the different possessive adjective is connected to a different subject. Here you have a chart. Take a moment and pause the video to try and memorize the chart. Even practice writing a few sentences using some possessive adjectives. Now, let's talk about a few things you'll need to remember when thinking about possessive adjectives, articles, and descriptive adjectives. Don't use a or an with a possessive adjective. You have to remember possessive adjectives can be used with any kind of noun. For example, we use them with singular count nouns like my cat is beautiful. We can also use them with plural count nouns like his friends play football on Saturdays, as well as non-count nouns like I will drink their water. You can also write possessive adjectives with a descriptive adjective and a noun. For example, my old cat is beautiful. In this sentence, we show ownership using my. We describe the cat with old and beautiful as descriptive adjectives and the noun cat. Another example, his happy friends play football on Saturdays. Again, we're talking about ownership with his, the possessive adjective. We describe the friends using the descriptive adjective happy. Friends is the noun. Finally, I will drink their cold water. There shows ownership. Cold describes the noun, and water is the noun. Now, let's take a practice quiz. Pause the video, answer the questions, then press play so we can check your answers. For questions 1 through 4, you'll need to choose, is the underlined word a possessive adjective or a descriptive adjective? For questions 5, 6, and 7, you'll have to choose which sentence is correct. Question 1. My mother is friendly, helpful, and brilliant. In this question, my is not describing mother, so we know it's a possessive adjective. A is the correct answer. Question 2. They are always kind to their amazing teacher. Again, in this sentence, their shows ownership. It's not describing the teacher, so A is the correct answer. Question 3. I usually travel to distant places that have a lot of natural beauty. Again, here in this question, we have natural beauty. It's describing the distant places I travel to. So B is the correct answer. Question 4. Taking risky challenges will help you to achieve your goals. Again, I have challenges. Well, what kinds of challenges? We have risky, describing challenges. So B, descriptive adjective, is the correct answer. Looking at our sentences, I like fast cars. We have to remember that in English, the adjective comes before the noun. So B is the correct answer. Question 6. Smart students study a lot. Again, in this sentence, we have the adjective before the noun. So B is the correct answer. Question 7. Ali is reading a new book. Looking at our sentence, again, we have the subject, Ali, followed by the be verb, is, reading a new book, article, adjective, noun. That's it for this lesson. I hope it was useful. Class dismissed.